everyone's confused. Wait, maybe he is telling the truth. But remember, whenever the haqq comes, the people of falsehood are always there to try and cast a doubt. You talk about the haqq, someone will release a little video to put doubt in people. For example, you bring evidences about a certain principle of Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah, or a proof or a dalil for something. People get scared. They brought dalil, so they try to bring a shubha. And what's a shubha, brothers? Have you heard of this term, shubha? What's a shubha? People say doubt. I think that's a terrible translation. Because a shubha comes from the word tashbih, which means similarity. And you have to understand why a shubha is a shubha, which they call a doubt. A shubha is a corrupted belief. It's called a shubha because it resembles the truth. Shaitan is smart. He will never bring you falsehood that is completely false. He'll bring you falsehood that looks like it's true from some angles, but it's false from others. Take feminism for an example. When feminists ask for their rights, they say we've been oppressed. Is that true? Yes, they have. But what do they ask for? That which is unjust. That which Allah didn't legislate for them. So He will bring you something that has, like for example, Christians, what do they say? God wanted to really resonate with the humans. He became one of us because he wanted to understand us. Also, that's false. But you can understand how a person on some emotional level will be like, oh, how sweet. He wanted to feel what we feel. Like it's foolish. But He'll try to bring that. Does that make sense? Like Jesus had to die for your sins because Adam ate from the tree and all of the humans carry the sin of Adam. Like, it's false. But there's some people that will be able to relate to that as a truth. It's not going to be far-fetched truth. Sorry, it's far-fetched, but it's not going to be like truth with it's not going to be falsehood with no truth in there. There's going to be something of that. So then what happens? When Musa threw the stick on the floor, it became a snake. His hand came up and lit up everything. They had to think of a shubha. This guy's a magician. When you say that, everyone's like, it makes sense. Makes sense. Because they know magic. They do magic. They do magic, right? But pay attention. They didn't just say he's a magician. Sahirun alim. Sighatul mubalagha. Sifatul mushabbaha. Right? It shows what? He's not sahirun alim. Sahirun alim. Oh, this is an expert magician. He really knows his magic. That's why he came with something so impressive. So everyone's like, right, yeah, you're right. Firawn is God, you're right.